Hi, I'm Kimberly Petrocaro and I'm with Static Works. A lot of people ask us, how do you ground an ESD floor? Or how do you use a copper grounding strip? Do I need an electrician to use the copper grounding strip? And the answer is no, you do not need an electrician for the copper grounding strip. All you need to do is remove the outlet cover, pop a hole in the copper grounding strip, which I already did. Screw the grounding strip into the outlet. Run the strip down the wall and either stick it to, if you have ground bridge underlayment paper or you have adhesive, and then screw the outlet cover back on. Now your floor is grounded. Some people ask us, should I be putting it in front of the wall base or behind the wall base? It really doesn't matter. If you want to put it behind the wall base, that's fine too. Any commercial or standard wall base will work and it's not going to impact the ESD properties, so don't worry about that. And it's as easy as that. Thank you.